Kauppakatu 16.
Serial number is H1251, and it says here actually en anno domeni. Oliko se koneskyhtiö? They changed that one in the 50s.
Yeah.
And these they still have the original metal plates in Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
Must have been modernized in early 1987.
Yeah.
Tippaa kiva ensin.
Yeah. Let's keep track of the time.
Yeah.
It's 26.
Yeah. This asuntoskyhtiö Toritel.
Yes. It's one of the most beautiful statue buildings in Jyväskylä from the late 1920s. Maybe the most beautiful one.
Yeah.
At least it's really difficult to get inside it. We did it, and I was investigating the video.
Yeah.
Kyllä.